Hi everyone. This is Miss Binary Trading. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to trade, perfect even for beginners. I'm trading today with no strategies, no indicators, and no deep technical analysis. I'm just going to trust the signal algorithms and click one button when I see a signal. All right, let's go. First, let's pick a signal. Anyone that catches my eye? No, not this one. Okay, the signal's just updated. Let's take this one, EURJPY, and I'm opening a trade with one click. All right, if I'm honest, I didn't pick this signal randomly. I was actually looking at the heat map and the signal strength. Now, making a few $100s will take too long at this pace. Let's increase the stake to $100. Opening another trade, now with $100. While we wait for the trade to close, let me tell you what I look for in signals. Signal strength. I only take signals with at least 3 bars. Heat map, green zones nearby are very important. I trade on the 1-minute chart, so I focus on the 1-minute and 5-minute forecasts. And check the 15-minute forecast just for extra confirmation. All right, let's open 3 more trades based on signal strength and the heat map. Trades are placed. 2 of these trades have a 92% payout, and one is just 34%. Yeah, that's risky, guys. Never take trades with less than 60% payout. Waiting for them to close. Meanwhile, you can like this video and subscribe. And all 3 trades closed in profit. So what do we have? Out of 5 trades, 4 winners. I made $266 right before your eyes in less than 10 minutes. If you want to trade like this too, promo code for the signals is in the description. Subscribe, hit that like button. This was Miss Binary Trading. See you next time.